2020 is behind us now, and it was the worst year. So hopefully 2021 would be a better year for all of us. Now, we started this YouTube channel at 2020. Well, the end of 2019, it's like December or whatever. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. We pretty much kicked off and started in January when we started building Dan's Mustang. And so 2020 was not as bad because we did a lot of things. We started a channel, we are growing, and hopefully this year we'll hit that 1,000 subscribers, have more content for you guys to see, more builds to come too. Now, the reason why we haven't been making much videos is because it's holidays and Dan's over at New York spending time with his family, and everybody, all my friends are out of town spending time with their family. Now, here are the videos that happened in 2020 in our YouTube channel. Peace. Get all the parts from the trunk. We got the latches in the trunk. Alright guys, so we got the hood pins. So we're gonna start taking these out. First we're gonna install. Mostly pulled. We're gonna try to readjust the straps because it looks, the straps are kind of funky. Like so. Yep. back.